Every successful company has a memory. It lives in your PDFs, your emails, your process manuals, and your team's experience. But right now, that memory is static. It sits in a folder waiting for someone to find it. At Snapiens, we don't just store your files. We transform them into active intelligence. We build the infrastructure where your knowledge stops gathering dust and starts doing work, answering questions, training new hires, and drafting strategies instantly. Think of us as the operating system for your company's brain. You get unified access to the world's most powerful models, like GPT 5.2 and Claude 4.5, but anchored 100% in your private data. Zero hallucinations, just your business logic, scaled. We believe in sovereignty, which means you choose how to deploy it. You can take the keys and build your agents yourself. Our no-code platform is ready in 7 days. Or if your data needs organization, our strategic team can curate and build the system for you. It's not just software, it's your infrastructure. Don't just store your knowledge, activate it. Apply for access today at snapiens.ai.